Ladies and gentlemen, if you need to write up a will in Wisconsin, state in the United States of America, I've got you covered. I'm going to show you exactly how to go through it and make sure that everything in there will make your will legally bound. So without further ado, let's get into it. So let us create a will in Wisconsin. Let's go ahead and add our last will and testament as a heading, and we're going to add some personal details such as our name. We're also going to add our physical address and our country, which in this case would be the United States of America, and we are going to add in that state, which is Wisconsin. We are going to also just declare this to be the last will and testament, and the next section is a revocation of any prior wills. This means anything that we have previously written out, just as we're doing here, will no longer be in power. So this one will now override that. You also have your appointment of executor, which means that you need to appoint somebody that's going to handle all the formalities and oversee this last will and testament. So you're going to add this person's name, full name, and you are just declaring that this person is the executor of this will. You are now going to distribute your assets, which basically means you are going to state who is getting what. So here you want to add a beneficiary's name. You also want to then add a description of all your assets that is going to be to that person. We're also going to add a second if you'd like. You can even add a third or a fourth. You can add as many as you'd like, or you can just have one beneficiary. It just depends on your needs. We're going to go down now, and we're just going to make this will and testament legal, and we are going to add your own signature. We're also going to add the signature of 2 witnesses, and this is now legally bound. I hope this was helpful. Now, just a small disclaimer, I am not a legal representative, I'm not a lawyer, I am simply just sharing some advice, some personal opinion. So please, if you need any legal advice, make sure that you consult a lawyer, and make sure that you're consulting a lawyer within the state that you are residing in.